Hey folks, Shahul from Ragas here. Today I'm very excited to share with you one of our first custom experiments in custom modeling for Ragas. We are releasing an open source model to automate parts of synthetic test data generation, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make use of this model, which is completely open source, to reduce the cost of synthetic data generation by 90%. So let's dive in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make use of our open source LLM to generate synthetic test data with Ragas, using any set of documents that you have to test your RAG systems. So the whole idea of synthetic data generation is that you can connect any set of documents to Ragas and generate high quality and diverse questions using the paradigm that we have. So the issue with this was we were using the paradigm actually uses GPT-4 and a combination of GPT-4 and GPT-3 to generate this synthetic data using the underlying paradigm. And here LLM actually plays two roles. The first role is the role as the generator, which generates query pairs given a chunk and also evolves the pairs into different types of questions as shown here. The second role of LLM is to act as a critique, and in this role LLM has to critique and give feedbacks to the type of questions that are being generated, so that to ensure high quality in the questions that are generated. So the red points here are the ones that are the role of the critique LLM, and Ragas by default uses GPT-4 as the critique LLM. Now this started becoming an issue when most of our users generate synthetic data over hundreds of documents, and we are aware that most of the users incurred a high cost while doing so. And the major culprit here is GPT-4, because GPT-4 is like 60 times costlier than almost any other model available in the market. Now to avoid this, we have developed our own custom LLM which can be used as critique, and this is a 1 billion parameter LLM which we have fine-tuned on our own data, which was prepared synthetically, and we have also condensed the model using GPT-2 technique, so that it can produce almost 200 tokens per second in an A10 instance. Now let's see how you can use this model. Now I have an A10 instance here, which is 24 gigs GPU VRAM, and what I am going to do now is to first host my model in my instance. I'm hosting my model using VLLM entry points. You can see that I'm using the Ragas critique LLM, and I'm just waiting for it to get hosted. It's gonna take like a couple of seconds. I think it's already there. So once we have hosted the model, yeah, it's already running. As you can see, it's already running with this particular endpoint. Once you have this model, let's see how you can make use of this model to generate synthetic data. Now, as I said, I have prepared a notebook on how you can use this model. There are some customizations required to use this model as of now, but you can follow this notebook easily to use it as is. Now here I am using a set of documents, set of research papers to create questions. Okay, and I am first initializing our model here, which is the model which we trained, and I'm also doing some customizations to replace it as the critique model. Once we have it replaced, I am loading my documents from which I want to create synthetic query pairs, and once I have this, I am basically going to run the synthetic test data generation to create 10 questions as of now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see it is running. Yeah, it started generating questions. It's almost there. So yeah, cool. Yeah, okay, it's there. You have the set of questions here. There are a couple of nans which we can fix that. But yeah, using our, as I've shown now, you can generate thousands of questions under $10-15 by using, because you can use our model for free, and then you can use any good open source model as a generator model. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you all will try out the critique model that we have just released. Thank you.